Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is about unboxing this blue iPhone 13. But before we go any further, let me tell you something embarrassing. My intention with this video is to make a short out of it. But as you may know, to make a YouTube short, you need to place your phone in portrait mode. But in my ignorance, I placed my phone in landscape mode. And that way you can't make a YouTube short. But hey, you live and you learn, they say. So maybe next time I'll be more able to create a YouTube short for you guys. So now here I'm dropping that phone. Actually, I'm unboxing that phone. And my first impression is that the color is just gorgeous. The iPhone 13 models come in 7 colors, which are blue, midnight, starlight, product red, and since recently the green color is also part of the family. So first things first, let me unveil that wrap off just to look at that screen. And as you may know or not know, iPhone 13 has a screen size of 6.1 inch. That's other than the iPhone Pro Max, which has a 6.7 inch screen size. The difference is not that big. I find myself watching videos on this size very easily. I'm not having any hard time to do so. Gaming on it is also very nice since it has a brightness of 150 nits. First of all, let me just turn that screen off just to show you how this iPhone is built. We have the side buttons on the left side. We have the mute button that feels very nice. I remember from the iPhone 6, I guess, that mute button didn't click that nice, but this one does click very nice. We have the cameras, which are diagonal. Those cameras are not like the iPhone 12 cameras, which are vertical on top of each other. These cameras are diagonal. So let's go back and we see here the classical Apple logo. We see the hello animation that looks very cool, but hey, you just see it one time whenever you start your iPhone at the first time. And it comes in all languages. And yeah, that's actually it. We have also here the cable, which is still not a USB-C cable. It's still Lightning cable, and I guess Apple will not budge, even though the European government are asking for a USB-C cable. Even they ask for a USB-C cable and not for a Lightning cable to reduce waste. But I guess at a time when those regulations are finally over, Apple will not have any ports anymore on their iPhone. So we have here some paperwork with the classical ejector tool and the sticker. I would have hoped that Apple will place blue stickers in there. That would be nice. And yeah, that's actually it for this short video. It meant to be a short video. Let's take a last look to that gorgeous color. If you would ask me, that blue color would be on top of my list. I would definitely go for that blue color. I will not go for that green color whatsoever. This blue color will satisfy you